guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to cook the Nepali dish. I'm missing this food. This is the delicious food in my home country, and right now I'm in UK. So I think I'll cook some food, some Nepali, like it's called is Pakoda, and I try to cook. It's so delicious. We enjoy it. Let's see. I also make the tomato achar, and that's called is tomato achar in Nepalese. And I make the traditional thing. No, I'm not using for the tomato chutney. Tomato pickles. For I use in Nepal. We call in Nepal is silauti and silauta. I use for the chutney, and I harvest the is called pudina. After that I grind this in silauti. This is a silauti, called silauti is a traditional grinder mixer. Its chutney is so tasty, and I mix it. Let's begin. Finally complete my cooking and welcome to eat